Today in this session I am going to discuss about digital electronics. In digital electronics, the number system is used to represent information. The number system has different bases. Here we have some important type of number systems, and that are binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system and hexadecimal number system. Coming to the binary number system, in binary we are going to use only two digits, and the two digits are 0 and 1. Because we are using only two digits, the base of the binary number system is equals to 2. So all kinds of data like audio, video, text, anything, all these types of data will be stored in our computer in binary format only. So here we have an example of binary data. So in this example, this number or this data or this information has only ones and zeros. Except 1 and 0, we don't have any other number. Here we have this 2, means this 2 represents the base of this binary number system, that is 2. And the base is also called as radix. So we can call base or radix of the binary number system is 2. Coming to the decimal number system, in decimal number system we use 10 digits, and the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So as we are using 10 digits in this decimal number system, the base of the number system or the base of the decimal number system is 10. So any decimal number can be represented by these digits only, from 0 to 9. Okay, so coming to the example, here in this example we have 2893 and the numbers are not exceeding this. So here this 10 represents the radix or base of this number system. So coming to this octal number system uses only 8 digits, that are 0 to 7, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So as we are using 8 digits in octal number system, the base or the radix of this octal number system is 8. Any octal number can be represented by these digits only, and here the example for octal number system. Next one is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system uses 16 digits or characters, so that are from 0 to 9 and A to F, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then A, B, C, D, E and F. As the hexadecimal number system is using 16 digits, so the base or the radix of this hexadecimal number system is 16. And here is the example for hexadecimal number system.